If you're looking for a super easy 2024 side hustle, this is one I actually used to do myself and I made a ton of money doing it. It's really simple. You just scoop up a ton of tickets to hyped events like concerts or fights, and then you just flip them for a profit. The only hard part is knowing which events to buy tickets for, which locations, which sections, but I actually have a plug for all of that. I'm going to show it to you right now. I use a Discord group called Seat Secure. They have people in there that tell you every drop you need to know about, step by step, what to do, how to do it. It's by far the best Discord group I've been in. I've been in like 10 different ones of these, and Seat Secure is the best one for sure. They have tutorials, guides, monitors for Ticketmaster and SeatGeek in case there's a shock drop you don't know about. They monitor sales so you can see the trending prices for any tickets you're trying to resell. It's really just holds your hand step by step through the whole thing. It makes it so simple. There's a ton of success of people making money in the Discord group, and literally all they're doing is pressing buy on a group of tickets and then just listing them for more money and waiting for somebody to purchase them. It's that easy. I really wanted to share this money making method with you guys, so I talked to the Seat Secure people and they gave me a special link. So if you want to join up and start making money with us, it's in my bio.